Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a very important chapter, that is profit and loss. Okay, so let's see the question on profit and loss chapter. The shopkeeper sell his good at 10% discount but uses 600 gram instead of 1 kg. Find his overall percentage profit or loss. Means 10% discount means what? You went there, you told him 1000 rupees I will give for 1 kg. 1 gram equal to 1 rupees. He told you 10% discount means what? 900 grams, means he is charging you only 900 rupees, but he uses 600 gram instead of 1 kg. So 600 he was charging you, 600 rupees or 600 rupees he charged you. He invested from his pocket, but how much he charged from you? He charged from you 900 rupees. 300 rupees extra he charged from you, and how much he invested from his pocket? 600. This comes out to be 1 by 2, that is equivalent to 50%. A man buys 10 oranges for a rupee and sell 8 oranges for a rupee. It is the profit percentage. Same concept, quantity, rate. 10 oranges for 1 rupee and 8 oranges for 1 rupee. You have to make quantity same, so you can multiply it by 8. You can multiply it by 10. This comes out to be 80. This also comes out to be 80. After multiplying by 8 means how much he invested from his pocket? 8 rupees. How much he is gaining? 10 rupees. 2 rupees he is gaining, and what price he invested from his pocket? 8 means 1 by 4, that is equivalent to 25%. 25% he was gaining. Okay, fine. Means 25% is the profit. A shopkeeper mark his good 20% above the cost price and allow a discount of 20% but uses 800 gram instead of 1 kg. Find the overall profit or loss. Okay, simple question again. The shopkeeper mark his good 20% above cost price, means you went there, told him give me 1 kg. He told instead of 1 kg, 1000 rupees, I will charge you 20% more, means 1200. But now in this 1200, he told, okay, I'm a kind hearted person, now I will give you 20% discount. 20% discount of 1200, then that means at 80% rate he is selling you. Okay, so 1200 into 80, it comes out to be 960. So how much he charged from you? 960 rupees, means you paid him 960 rupees. But later he played a game with you, and instead of uh, actual weight he was using 800 grams, means 800 rupees he invested from his pocket. How much he gained? 160 rupees. How much he invested from his pocket? 800 rupees. So 160 by 800. You will get the percentage of the profit that he was getting. He was getting 20% profit. I think all of you have seen Nayak movie, so the same scenario is repeating here in the question. Just you need to find what is asked in the question. It's very simple. For just first 10 seconds, you need to put a little pressure on your head that what the statement is asked to me for first 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, when you get the correct logic, when you get the click or idea what is asked, then this question becomes very simple. Okay, now see this question. A shopkeeper poses to sell his good at a cost price, but he uses a false weight and thus gain 25% for 1 kg. Okay, then find the actual percentage or the weight, the weight he used. Okay, so for this type of question, there is a direct formula that you can use. That is false weight 1 plus profit percentage upon 100 equal to 2 weight. Okay, so this is the formula that you can use in order to find the overall correct weight of that particular product. false weight 1 plus profit percentage upon 100. Okay, so this is the formula that you can use to find the correct weight. So you know that so it is asked to you what weight he was using, right? 1 kg is the real weight. Okay, you have to calculate false weight. So you can simply put the values now. 25%, 25 by 100, 1 by 4 upon 100. This comes out to be 5 by 4 upon 100. So 5 by 4 is what? 125%, right? This comes out to be false weight. Okay. True weight, you know how much it is 1 kg, 100 grams, 1000 grams. 1000 gram, when you multiply it by 8,000, and then divide it or solve this by multiplying this, sending this 4 into multiplication and dividing it, and it comes out to be 800. So after solving this, you will get the false weight, that is 800. Okay, fine, simple. Just remember this formula: false weight equal to 1 plus profit percentage upon 100 equal to true weight. The profit percentage was 25. So 25% means fraction of 100. So 25 by 100, that is 1 by 4. And solving this 1 by 4 in the above side, you will get the correct answer, and then you can proceed. Okay, same question, very simple. As I told you, a plus b plus a b by 100. The same type of horse one question that we did. So same, apply the same thing. 10 gain, loss is minus 10, plus minus, so this comes out to be minus, this cuts out, 10 into 10 upon 100, this is minus 1, that is 1% loss. Thank you.